Cooking with Grandma, a Cambodian culinary journey. Welcome to our kitchen, where Yay, Grandma, teaches us how to cook traditional Cambodian dishes. We learn about fresh ingredients, secret family recipes, and the joy of cooking together. Let's wash our hands and get ready for a delicious adventure. First, we need to gather our ingredients. Let's go to the market and pick the freshest vegetables, herbs, and spices. Our first recipe is Amok Trey. Yay makes Kralan from scratch for this dish. We'll also need fish, coconut milk, and special spices. Let's mix them together and cook them in banana leaves. Next, we're making Nom Banh Chok. Yay also uses a special Kralan in this recipe. We'll make noodles and prepare fresh herbs and vegetables. It's a delicious noodle dish made from fish or chicken that everyone loves. Now let's make Bai Sach Chrouk. First, we make the marinade made with garlic, palm sugar, fish sauce, soy sauce, oyster sauce, vegetable oil, and coconut milk. We'll marinate the pork and grill it to perfection, then serve it with steamed rice. For dessert, we're making Kralan. We'll fill bamboo tubes with sticky rice, beans, and coconut, then cook them over a fire. Next, let's make Nom Banh Chok, a traditional Cambodian mixed vegetable soup. We'll chop chicken, vegetables, and herbs and simmer them in delicious broth, also adding in Yay's special Kralan. Now we'll make Lok Lak. We'll marinate the beef and stir-fry it to perfection, serving it with fresh lettuce, tomatoes, cucumbers, and onions. To make the dipping sauce, we mix lime juice, black pepper, and salt. For a sweet treat, we'll make Nom Banh Chok. We'll wrap banana slices in sticky rice and banana leaves, then steam them to create this delicious dessert. On special occasions, Yay makes chak dam, a stir-fried crab delicacy. We prepare the crabs and stir-fry them with garlic, ginger, onion, and bell pepper. Let's make Bai Sach Chrouk, a refreshing beef salad. We'll mix sliced beef with fresh herbs, vegetables, and a zesty dressing. For this recipe, Yay uses her homemade fermented fish sauce. Now we make fresh spring rolls, a delicious and healthy treat. We'll lay out the rice paper and fill them with shrimp, lettuce, noodles, and herbs, fresh from Yay's garden. Yay will show us how to roll them up tightly for a perfect bite every time. Yay loves to make a comforting bowl of Nom Banh Chok. We'll hollow out the bitter melons and fill them with a mixture of ground meat and spices, then simmer them into the delicious broth. It's a healthy and flavorful dish for the whole family. One of our favorites, Tuaco, delicious Cambodian sausages. We'll mix ground meat with spices and herbs, then fill the sausage casings and tie them off. Yay grills and serves them with the side of steamed rice. Now we'll make bok lahong, a refreshing green papaya salad. We'll shred the green papaya and mix it with lime, chili, and peanuts. Yay will show us how to use the mortar and pestle to blend all the flavors together. It's a crunchy and tangy dish that's perfect for any meal. For our next dish, we'll make Andre Myok, grilled squid. We'll prepare the fresh squid and grill it over an open flame, brushing on a flavorful marinade. When Yay brings out the big soup pot, we make Kutiv, a comforting Cambodian noodle soup. We'll prepare the noodles, broth, and fresh toppings. It's a warm and delicious dish that will last us several days. When fresh fish is caught, we make Trey Truk Ampil Dum, fried fish with tamarind sauce. We'll fry the fish to a crispy golden brown and prepare a tangy tamarind sauce to drizzle over it. For barbecues, we make delicious Sako Chikak and Chrouk. We'll marinate the beef and thread it onto skewers, then prepare jars of pickled vegetables with carrots, radishes, and cucumbers. It's a tasty combination, perfect for snacking or as a side dish. Let's make Ban Sao, a delicious Cambodian yellow crepe filled with shrimp, bean sprouts, and green onions. We'll pour the batter into a hot skillet and then cook it until crispy, then add the tasty fillings. Now we make a special dish, grilled steak with Cambodian prahok sauce. We'll grill the steaks to perfection and prepare the prahok sauce with fermented fish, garlic, fresh herbs, Thai eggplants, and chili for a unique and flavorful dip. Our final dish is curry sak muon, a delicious chicken curry. We'll simmer the chicken in a rich curry sauce with vegetables until it's tender and flavorful. It can be served with rice, bread, or vermicelli noodles. Thank you for joining us on this delicious journey through Cambodian cuisine. We've had so much fun cooking and learning together. Remember, the best recipes are made with love and shared with family. Until next time, happy cooking!